Hello, students, and welcome back to class. Here's a little reminder about office hours. Feel free to pop into the WebEx office anytime you've got questions about the class or about grades. If these times don't work for you, email me and we'll find a better time, another time. You can find the link to pop into the WebEx office on our Canvas page. Let's start off today by practicing the fraction problems that we've already worked on. By staying sharp on these problems, the fraction problems that are coming up soon won't seem so bad. To change a mixed number into an improper fraction, we keep the denominator, and then it's 8 times 5 plus 2. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Here's the way your homework should look. Write the problem down, put the answer right next to it. Now let's change an improper fraction back into a mixed number. Again, we keep the denominator and then figure out how many times 4 goes into 21. 4 divides into 21 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. From 21 leaves a remainder of 1. Some of you like to show the work on scrap paper. Here's how it would look. You keep the denominator of 4. Then you find out how many times 4 divides into 21. 4 goes into 21 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 from 21 is a remainder of 1. 4 goes into 21 5 times with a remainder of 1. There's the way your homework looks right there. There was a little confusion on multiplying fractions on the last assignment. Some of you multiplied the tops, multiplied the bottoms, and then tried to reduce. That's very difficult when the numbers get big. We should reduce first. Some of you tried to reduce numbers like the 2 and the 6. You can't reduce the numerators. You can only reduce top numbers with bottom numbers. Any numerator with any denominator. Don't divide both these by 2. But we can divide both of these by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Now multiply the tops. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 1 is 7. There's the way we want the first one to look. In the second one, reduce first, but don't try to reduce the numerators. Don't divide by 15 and divide by 15. That's not allowed. Any top with any bottom. Do you see that 30 and 21 are both divisible by 3? We can divide by 3, divide by 3. 35 and 15 both end in a 5, so they're divisible by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Now multiply the tops, 10 times 3, and multiply the bottoms, 7 times 7. That looks great. We know division problems have a first step. Before we divide, we copy the first fraction, we change division to multiplication, and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Instead of 15 over 4, we'll have 4 over 15. Now try to reduce. Any top with any bottom. Look, 4 divides into both 4 and 12. Divide by 4, divide by 4. I can divide 5 into both 5 and 15. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Now multiply the tops, 1 times 1, and the bottoms, 3 times 3. That's the way we want a division problem to look. All right, your turn. Go work some homework problems, and then meet me back here.